Have you ever pondered what keeps society fair and orderly? What ensures that everyone, regardless of their standing, is accountable under the law? This fundamental principle is known as the rule of law, a cornerstone of any functioning society. So let's embark on a journey to unfold its meaning and significance. The rule of law is a principle that everyone, from the common citizen to government officials, is subject to and accountable under the law. It's not merely about having laws, it's about ensuring these laws are clear, predictable, and applied consistently. This principle is what ensures fairness, equal treatment, and protects individual rights within a legal framework. Now, you might wonder, what are the key indicators of the rule of law? They include a transparent legal system, effective enforcement, access to justice, protection of human rights, absence of corruption, and equal application of laws. Monitoring these factors helps us assess the strength of the rule of law in a society. However, don't confuse the rule of law with rule by law. The latter refers to a situation where the legal system is used as a tool by those in power to maintain control, often disregarding principles of justice and fairness. Under the rule of law, laws are applied consistently, fairly, and without bias, fostering public trust and reinforcing the legitimacy of the entire legal framework. It emphasizes principles such as equality before the law, protection of individual rights, and accountability of both citizens and government officials. But, like any concept, the rule of law isn't without criticism. Some argue that it isn't always applied uniformly. It may reflect Western legal traditions and not be universally applicable, or that it can lead to rigid and overly formalistic approaches. Others point out that it doesn't address underlying economic inequalities or that legal systems can be used as instruments of oppression. Despite these criticisms, the rule of law remains a fundamental pillar of our societies, a beacon that guides us towards fairness, justice, and accountability. It's the bedrock upon which the legitimacy of law rests, a principle that insists on equality, justice, and accountability inherent in the rule of law. So the next time you hear the phrase rule of law, remember, it's not just about laws, but how those laws are applied and enforced, ensuring a just and stable society.